Hey guys, what's up? This is Erica here. Today in few minutes, I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 17.2.1 without using computer or Mac. I promise it's going to be really easy tutorial. Also, you don't have to do any human verification. Make sure you watch this video carefully and don't miss out any steps. By the end of this video, you will get a completely untethered Cydia or Sileo, meaning the jailbreak will work even if you accidentally or intentionally restart your iPhone or iPad. I will also demonstrate to you how you can install cool tweaks like changing your control center to look like this or install a tweak to close all apps in the app switcher in one go. Alright, let's get right into the method. First, let me show you the current version of iOS installed on my iPhone 14. Alright you guys, as you can see, it's the latest iOS 17.2.1. Before jailbreak, we need to perform few steps. Since Apple does not allow jailbreak, there are few settings within iPhone that will block the jailbreaking. So let me show you how to get your device ready for the jailbreak. First of all, go to Settings, then go to General option, Background App Refresh, choose this option here which is Wi-Fi and Mobile Data. In the next step, you have to go back to the main settings page, then scroll down and go to this option which says Battery. Here you need to make sure that the low power mode is turned off. If it's turned on like this, you will see a yellow color within the battery icon. So make sure to turn off this option. That's it guys, that's everything you have to do to make sure your device is ready to be jailbroken. Now open up Safari browser and then go to this website iOS Checkra1n.com. Make sure you visit the correct link. I will add this link in the first comment below. So, this is how the website looks like. You can read the jailbreak details here. Now, just go ahead and click on this Download Now mobile button. Since this website offers free jailbreak tool in exchange to download it, you need to do their sponsored social survey. You can do Facebook or Twitter share or YouTube subscribe. It's all up to you. I will demonstrate how to do YouTube subscribe here. So, click on this YouTube icon and you will be redirected to a YouTube channel. First, click on this subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification on to all. Once everything is done, go back to the browser and you should see the download button has been unblocked. Now, you can click on Proceed to download. It will then ask a permission to download Checkra1n configuration profile. So, click on Allow button. Alright, the Checkra1n configuration profile has been downloaded and now it needs to be installed. So, go ahead and open up your iPhone settings. Here you should see an option named Profile Downloaded here on the top. Choose this option and then click on Install button. Now enter your passcode if required. Then click on Next and choose Install again. Click on Done button to close this window. Alright, the Checkra1n configuration profile has been installed. So go ahead and open this Checkra1n app. Please allow some time to load this app completely. Here we go. It has been loaded. You can verify your current iOS version here. Finally, click on this jailbreak button. Alright guys, Checkra1n has begun the jailbreaking progress. This should be done within a minute. Please do not close the window and let the process get completed. I will fast forward this part. Alright guys, the process is almost done. And there it is. Jailbreak has been completed and now it's giving me option to install Sileo. You may even get option to install Cydia, depending upon the availability for the current iOS version. Don't worry, Sileo is as good as Cydia. You can say it's more advanced than Cydia. So just go ahead and choose the option to install it. Then go back to home screen and you will see Sileo being installed on your device. And it has been installed successfully. That's all guys, this is how you can easily jailbreak the iOS 17.2.1 and install Sileo or Cydia. You can proceed to install iOS 17 compatible tweaks with Sileo now. Please note that not all tweaks are yet compatible with iOS 17. But as the jailbreak has been finally arrived on iOS 17, you should soon see a lot of compatible tweaks in Sileo. Let me go ahead and install one of the tweaks to demonstrate the process. Here I am going to install a tweak called Jade. This tweak offers a reimagined control center experience for iOS, allowing users to seamlessly integrate new modules into their CC while fully supporting all stock modules as well. What truly sets Jade apart is its extensive range of customization options, making it a dream come true for those who love themes. Just go ahead and proceed to install this tweak from Sileo. Once the tweak is installed, go ahead and respring your device. Then all you have to do is just unlock your iPhone to see the magic. There it is. As you can see, my control center has been changed completely and it looks really cool. You can modify the control center options from settings under Jade menu. Let's try one more tweak. I will be installing Close All. This tweak offers the option to close all running apps at once from App Switcher. This tweak is really helpful if you need quicker and easy way to close all running apps on your iPhone and iPad. So just go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, you need to respring the device. Now, unlock your device to see the effect. So here it is guys. All you need to do is open the app switcher and then click on this close button on top right corner. It will then close all the running apps in one go. This is really cool guys. So, this is how you can jailbreak iOS 17.2.1 and install cool tweaks using Sileo or Cydia. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you face any issue, just comment below and I will help you with it. However, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel first. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in next video. Till then, peace out.